Hello everyone, my name is Camille and today we're going to play a game that's called Explore Juno. Concretely, what you'll be doing today is that you'll be with your families in your teams and you will be playing this game that wants to put forward the image of Canada as well as the veterans that landed here on D-Day. And so we'll be talking about in the 1930s up until today in Canada and talking about the veterans, the implication of Canada during and after the war. What you'll be doing is with the panels, the blue panels that you see in this room. So with the blue panels that you have over here, you'll be going to the panels, you read the information, and you play the games that are on the panels. Afterwards, with your tablet, you will then complete the questionnaire on the tablet. So now we'll be going over here to do a brief conclusion. We'll go over the activities that you did today, and I'll be explaining to you what the poppy means for Canadians today. Est-ce que quelqu'un sait c'est quoi le nom de cette fleur? Le coquelicot, très bien. Et qu'est-ce que ça signifie, le coquelicot?
On envoie un coquelicot à quelqu'un, ça veut dire qu'on lui rend hommage quand il est mort.
Ouais, exactement. Et à qui est-ce qu'on pourrait rendre hommage dans ce musée? Oui?
Aux soldats.
Très bien.
Quand on va aller sur la plage, je vais m'imaginer comment ça s'est passé. Ça va me faire bizarre de me dire qu'il y a eu le débarquement il y a à peu près 80 ans.